Hello everyone. For class 9th standard in the chapter lines and angles, in first exercise, we will work out question number 1. In question number 1 it is given, in figure lines AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree, find angle BOE and angle COE. It is said we should find reflex angle COE. Reflex angle COE. So let us start. How will we do this? Let us start the solution. Now look at the figure. What is given? Given AOC plus BOE is 70 degree and angle BOD is 40 degree. So we will mark angle BOD is given as 40 degree and this angle sum of these two angles is given as 70 degree. Correct? Now they have asked us to find angle BOE. That is, they have asked us to find angle BOE. They have asked us to find this angle and they have asked us to find reflex of COE. This is a regular angle, COE. This is a regular angle. Reflex of COE is this angle which is around this entire angle. Correct? We will know reflex of COE only when we find normal angle, the regular angle COE. So how do we do this? We will first start finding angle COE. Now, as you know, angles on the same line, that is the linear angle, sum of all the angles will be equal to 180 degree. So I am going to take this line AOB. There are three angles in this. As you see, AOC, COE and BOE. So we are going to take the sum of these three angles as 180 degree. So we will write angle, as I said you, top three angles we are going to take the linear pair of angles as 180 degree. So angle AOC plus angle COE plus the next angle is EOB. So I'll write BOE is equal to 180 degree. These are the linear pair of angles. It is linear angles. Reasons are always written in brackets in geometry. Now it is given angle AOC and BOE is 70 degree. So let us rearrange them. This will become AOC plus BOE plus COE is equal to 180 degree. I have just rearranged. As I know this both angles AOC plus BOE is nothing but, in question it is given 70 degree plus COE as it is equal to 180 degree. So angle COE will be equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. 70 has to come to the other side. So when you subtract, you will get 110 degree. So this 110 degree is only this angle. This we have found out. This is 110 degree. Now only COE is 110 degree. Now what should we find? We should find reflex of COE. So this part we should find. This is called the reflex of 110 COE, 110 degree. So reflex of COE will be equal to 360 degree minus angle COE. So this is 360 degree minus 110 degree. So we get reflex COE is equal to, how much is 360 minus 110? Yes, it is 270 degree. This is one part of the answer. Now we will find what is BOE. So this is one part of the answer where we have got reflex COE. Now we will find what is angle BOE. Now to find angle BOE, you can observe this figure. You can take this line CD. In line CD, we know BOD is 40 degree. We don't know BOE. We know COE as 110 degree. So we are going to take angles, linear angles on this line CD. So we are going to write angle COE plus angle BOE plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. These are linear angles. Linear angles. Okay. Here we know COE is, we have already found COE, the normal angle is 110 degree. BOE we don't know. And BOD is 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. So this BOE will be equal to, let us do step by step. 110 plus 40 will give us 150 degree is equal to, okay, so 110 plus 40 will give us 150 degree. BOE will be equal to 180 minus 150 degree. So we get angle BOE as 30 degree. I hope you have understood the entire problem. I hope you have understood question number 1, children, how to solve, how to find reflex COE and BOE. Thank you.